Guys, we're going to Bali! Oh my gosh! Nakalampas tayo ng immigration. Oh my gosh, mom! Ang pasaway na babae na confiscate ang kanyang hairspray. 22A. A, ibig sabihin window yun. Ang landing ko pala 12 a.m. sakto ng birthday ko. We're finally in Bali! Ang sarap naman dito sa ibang bansa, nagiging milyonaryo ako. Ate, naliligaw ako, to be honest. Wala silang elevator. Pagod na ako. Pero ginusto natin to eh, so come on! Kung sa Pilipinas, to magkano na to, pero dito 5K lang. Walk trip. Ate, ang laki ng iced tea nila. Ang sarap, oh my God!
Catherine Bernardo.
But no boyfriend.
Single. Look at my view. Thank you so
Thank you everyone. So this is like compliment cake for you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you, Lord, for everything, Lord. Oh my God, I love my life.
June 12 na today, and this Bali trip is actually my birthday treat to myself because I am turning 24 tomorrow, June 13, guys. And this trip is actually a solo international trip. And guys, first time ko pong mag-travel mag-isa at international pa. Hindi ko din alam kung ano pumasok sa isip ko, but I just booked this trip because I think that I deserve this. So this is actually a treat to myself because I deserve this. Wow! Yan na, magagaslight na naman tayo na deserve natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Siyempre, nakabook na to, wala na tayong magagawa. I just wanna say na sobrang grateful ko for this opportunity to travel kasi to all the people who know me, especially to my friends, alam nyo na I don't have the means before to do this kind of stuff. But now, I'm really grateful that God blessed me so much that I got to travel. Ngayon. Like, thank you, Lord. I hope this trip goes well and I hope ma-enjoy nyo din tong video na to. And disclaimer guys, medyo magiging bits of memories ko to, tong vlog na to, but I still hope that you enjoy this video. I will try my best, guys. I am not really the vlogger type, but I am trying. So, ayun guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Paalis na din kami and I'll see you in the airport. Guys, dito na kami sa NAIA Terminal 3. Pumasok sila mama kasi pwede naman pala. Magbabag drop na tayo, guys. Okay, thank you. We got the boarding pass. Hello! Punta na ako ng immigration. Sa immigration kasi ako kinakabahan kasi nga first time ko. Kapag nakalampas na ako ng immigration, medyo makakahinga na ako ng maluwag. Guys, nakalampas tayo ng immigration. Oh my gosh, mom! Woo! Alam niyo kanina, sobrang kabado kasi ako. Hindi ko kasi alam talaga kung anong mangyayari sa immigration. Hindi natin alam. Baka ma-offload tayo. Especially ngayon na first time natin mag-travel. So, yung questions na tinanong sa akin, like, saan ako pupunta? Ako lang ba mag-isa? And nung sinabi kong ako lang mag-isa, tinanong ako kung graduate na ba ako. And then, kung graduate naman na ako, kailan ako graduate? Nag-work na ba ako after grad? And then, syempre sabi ko, I own a business. And then, hiningi din yung proof na I own the business. And yung proof ng accommodation. Guys, dito na ako sa boarding gate. Ang sakit na ng aking balikat at kakabit-bit ng mga kagamitan. And guys, nga pala di ko nabanggit kanina. Ang pasaway na babae na confiscate ang kanyang hairspray. Kasi 180 ml yun. Kakabili ko lang. Nakasil pa yun. Oh my goodness. Pero ang mahalaga, ayan, lilipad tayo. Hindi tayo na-offload. And para, ito tuloy siya sa Bali. So, ayun. Papahinga lang ako. Sakit eh. Sumakit talaga yung balikat ko. Like, legit. Hindi na din ako nakapagbabay sa family ko kasi akala ng mother ko pwede pa lumabas after ng immigration. Kaso hindi na. Mag-video call na lang kami later bago ako umalis. Ayun. See you later. Guys, window seat tayo for today's video. Thank you, Lord. Hindi ko kasi na-check kanina na window seat pala. Na-realize ko kanina habang naglalakad, 22A. A? Ibig sabihin, window yun. And yes, window tayo. Happy birthday to me. Ayan guys, I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for this opportunity. Ang landing ko pala 12 a.m. sakto ng birthday ko. Ayan guys, see you. Bye!
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be.
Guys, we're finally in Bali! Oh my God! Thank you, Lord, for the safe sky. I'm so happy. Kanina, very, very emotional ako while nagla-landing kasi masaya ako na safe yung flight. And at the same time, masaya ako na nagawa ko siya. Naka-prepare na lahat ng documents ko. I mean, lahat ng kailangan. Like, yung e-visa, yung arrival card. Guys, take note ha. Kapag pupunta kayo ng Bali, pag meron na kayo ng e-visa or electronic visa, iba na yung process. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumila. Sila kasi, if magpapagawa kayo ng visa on arrival, kailangan nyo pumila here para magkaroon kayo ng visa. Yun yung iniwasan ko kaya hindi na ako visa on arrival, nag-electronic visa na ako. So, doon tayo papasok. Diyan sa mga green na yan, you'll need to scan your passport para makapasok ka dun sa gates. Okay. Okay. Tapos na. You just need to scan the passport and then face the camera kasi scan din yung face after that. Okay, sobrang bilis ng process kapag naka-electronic visa kayo. So, if you're planning to go to Bali, process nyo na agad yung e-visa, arrival card, tourist levi, online para mabilis. Ayan, finally, ayun na yung flight natin. Meaning, ilalagay na nila yun here. And then, chinecheck ko na din yung driver ko kasi I booked a private service from here to my accommodation. Nakuha na natin ang ating maleta. Now we have to look for money changers or ATM machine so that makapag-withdraw tayo dahil wala pa tayong cash. This one yun, yung arrival card. Thank you. And then, the baggages ay kailangan ma-check ng x-ray. See guys, kapag naka-process na lahat ng mga documents needed, mas madali siya. So, i-process nyo na siya before pa yung flight. Oh! Exit! Nandito tayo sa ATM machine. So, pwede dito na mag-withdraw kayo using your Visa or Mastercard. And then, automatically naman, Indonesian rupee na yung bibigay ko. Guys, we got the cash! Dito guys, milyonaryo na ako. This is 1,250,000 Indonesian rupees. We're rich here. We're a millionaire here. Ang sarap naman dito sa ibang bansa, nagiging milyonaryo ako. Mag-update muna tayo sa ating mga pamilya. Ate. Grabe yung pawis ko, nakikita niyo ba? I'm finally inside my Airbnb. Finally! After a lot of problems. Diyos ko, day! Well, you ain't doing it right if you don't encounter problems while you're solo traveling. This is part of it. Imbes na mabad trip tayo, let's be thankful na finally nandito na tayo sa ating Airbnb. Makakaligo na tayo, makakapagpahinga na tayo, makakatulog na tayo. Pero syempre, may utang akong chika. So, ang chika natin today ay, the first problem that I encountered earlier ay, mali nang drop sa akin yung driver. Like, naliligaw ako, to be honest. Tinan mo, ang dilim ng dinadaanan ko, girl. Anong oras na? 2:00 na, hindi pa ako nakaka-check. I was supposed to check in like 1 a.m. Layo, ate. Nakikita niyo ba yan? See? Okay, bye muna. Mamaya na tayo magchismisan. I didn't realize, not until nakausap ko na yung Airbnb host. Fortunately, meron akong na-encounter na security dito sa area na alam kung saan yung Airbnb ko. And ginaid niya ako kung saan ako dapat dumaan papunta dun sa Airbnb. So basically, naglakad ako habang umuulan, dala-dala yung mga bagahe ko. At ang dilim pa, ate. So ayun, ganon yung nangyari. Noon, ha? Hindi pa tayo natatapos.
What?
Hindi pa tayo natatapos, ate. E di ayun, ginaid na ako kung saan yung tamang way papunta sa accommodation ko. Eh, nahanap ko naman siya, guys. Nakarating naman ako dito sa villa. But then, tingali ako ng inakyutan na na hagdan. Ate, update lang. Nandito na ako sa hotel, pero wala silang elevator, so kailangan natin siya manually bit-bitin. Guys, the struggle of solo traveling is now coming to life. Charis. Guess what? 3rd floor ako, ate. Buhay pa ba ako nito? Pagod na ako. Pero ginusto natin to so come on. Imagine, 3rd floor yung hagdan na kailangan kong akyatin. Dinala ko yung bagahe ko. Ang bigat, pagod na ako and all that. Inaantok na ako and shit. Turns out, mali yung naakyatan kong hagdan. Na-realize ko lang siya pagka-akyat ko dun sa 3rd floor na iba pala siyang 3rd floor. Like, is this Tagalog? Yeah. Bumaba ako ulit. Binitbit ko ulit lahat ng bagahe ko. Pababa. And then, lumipat ako. Tapos nakita ko na, shocks, meron palang isa pang hagdan dun sa sa left side nung pool. Yun pala yung tinutukoy niya. Parehas kasi silang left side, ate. Ang pinagkaiba lang, yung stairs dito sa mismong room ko ay literal na left side. Yung inakyatan ko is dulo, pero kaliwa. Gets niyo ba? Pero ayun, syempre wala tayong magagawa. Nandito na tayo, diba? And then finally, nakita ko na siya. After all the struggles, the problems that I encountered. Happy birthday, self. Ginusto ko to. Pero alam nyo guys, instead na mabad trip ako and all that, wala na akong choice Nangyari na ang nangyari. We just have to live with it. Ang funny and at the same time is memorable siya for me. Kasi this is my first time traveling nga, diba? And then, I encountered shit like that. So, I think that's what made this travel very memorable. Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda naman kasi ng accommodation ko. Look, I'm facing the mirror, a big ass mirror. Like, medyo nawawala yung bad trip ko kasi nakikita ko yung sarili ko. So ngayon, after ko nang ichika sa inyo ang lahat ng nangyari sa akin, lahat ng problemang na-encounter ko for this solo trip,
Ang masasabi ko lang, mahirap talaga, mahirap siya. First hand, ito pa nga lang kakarating ko pa lang dito sa Bali, mahirap na siya. Pero, if tatanungin niyo ako kung gagawin ko pa ba to ulit, or uulitin ko pa bang mag-solo travel, ganyan, yes. Kahit ang bungad sa akin ng trip na to ay puro problema, ganyan. Uulitin ko pa din to. I'm happy. Kahit na na-encounter ko ay ganun, masaya ako. Dahil birthday ko ngayon, dahil nasa ibang bansa ako ngayon, at dahil nagawa ko to, I gifted this to myself. Uulit-ulitin ko to hanggat capable ako and I have the means to do this. I will repeatedly do this. Especially ngayon na masasabi ko kapag na-survive ko to, ay shucks, nakasurvive ako ng ganun, na-encounter ko tong mga to, pero na-survive ko. That would be an achievement for me. I'll just update you guys. For now, hayaan nyo munang mag-beauty rest ang birthday girl. See you later morning. Bye! Good night! Alam nyo, ang sarap-sarap sa feeling. Like, ang sarap sa feeling mag-travel alone. Oo, wala kang kausap, mag-isa ka lang. Mostly, gagawin mo lahat mag-isa. But the feeling of fulfillment whenever you've finished doing something alone, it feels like an achievement. Ayan guys, like, see, this is the dream. This is the life that I wanna live. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Pangarap ko lang to noon, guys, makapag-travel. As in, dream ko din talaga makapag-travel alone. And now, I'm here. Ang saya sa feeling. I'm just so happy that I get to experience this. And I hope kayo din. And sana ma-experience nyo din yung ganitong feeling. Mapa-alone man kayo or meron man kayong kasama. I hope you give yourself time to, breathe. Gift yourself something that would help you heal, like would help you reset your mind. Hindi lang puro trabaho. You guys deserve a rest too. I just want you to realize how good it feels when you reward yourself, when you gift yourself something. Don't deprive yourself from the things that you deserve. If sa tingin mo deserve mo yan, go for it. Sobrang naging yapping session na to. I think para na siyang podcast, hindi na siya travel vlog. But, yeah. See you later, guys. Bye! Good morning, guys. Late na nagising si ate mo. I tried waking up earlier, guys. Like 7 and 8 a.m. Hindi talaga kaya ng katawan ko. I'm so sorry. Magpa-prepare na lang ako for a quick dip at the pool and picture taking na din. Kasi tomorrow, I can't do that dahil naka-tour tayo tomorrow. So, this is the only day na kaya ko siyang gawin kasi free day ko. Mag-get ready lang ako and then I'll show you around pati dun sa baba. Fit check! Ito ay tangkini. Magtatangkini tayo ngayon. I bought this on Ukay sa Black Up Live. And then, I also got this, like, parang cover up. But this sa Ukay din, but physical. Ayan siya, guys. See? Ganyan siya. See, it's cute. Dito magkasama. I bought this separately. So, this is the face. This is the face. Ano lang ako, tinted sunscreen, blush, and lipstick. Kasi, magsiswimming din ako, so masasayang lang yung makeup ko if magpapabongga ako ng makeup and tatagal ako lalo. Guys, OMG, ang ganda. Look at this. Wow! Diba? I owe you guys a room tour, so let's do a room tour. So, sa labas, makikita nyo, ayan, merong parang veranda, hallway to. And then, merong mga chairs and table. And then, this is my accommodation. This is my room. When you enter, ayan, ganyan siya. I think this is a queen or king-sized bed. May mga complimentary sila na water, food, and this noodles. Smart TV na din to. Drawers. Ayan, may mga drawers dito. And then, meron tayong big mirror here where I do my makeup. The bed, na comforter and my blanket. And for beach daw yan, beach blanket. And then my favorite spot is this one. A closet na may dalawang malaking salamin as its door. Nandito na din yung mga gamit ko. Hinanger ko na din sila. Meron tayong refrigerator, an air fryer. And then may complimentary sila na tea and coffee. And then water, may free water sila, stove. And then the kitchen. This is the kitchen, guys. Complete yan lahat. Another favorite ko ay ang CR. Like, see? Ang ganda ng CR, di ba, ate? Sobrang bongga. Meron din silang malaking mirror here. Excuse yung gamit ko, but... Yan, may malaking mirror. Provided na din yung kanilang toothbrush and toothpaste. And then, may shower. Hot and cold shower. Yes. Provided din nila yung towels. They provided me 2 towels. So, yun guys. Ang ganda ng accommodation ko. Like, I got this for like 5,000 pesos lang. Sabi ko nga kay mother, kung sa Pilipinas to magkano na to, pero dito 5K lang. And if interested kayo to book the same room that I got, I'll just paste the link dyan sa description so you can book it as well. So for now, let's take pictures first para sa ating social media. Later, mababa tayo sa pool. So yeah. Guys, ito yung accommodation ko. Ayan. Tapos dun ako sa 3rd floor. Ayun yung room ko.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than we should. Golden hour paints a dream like you. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving.
So, hi guys! Ayan, time check. Mag-aalas 3 na. Hindi pa tayo kumakain. Dahil sa picture taking na ginawa natin kanina and sa pagsiswimming na din. Siyempre, pagkatapos ko mag-swimming, naligo pa ako and all. Late na nga din tayo nakapag-start ng day dahil nga anong oras na tayo nakauwi kagabi. Ang plan natin today ay to eat brunch. Yung sikat near the area. I forgot the name, but ni-recommend siya ng Airbnb host ko. And then, if kaya pa ng oras, mag-visit tayo sa flea market or we're just gonna explore Seminyak. And then, after that, I booked a restaurant for dinner. I told you guys, freestyle lang naman tayo today kasi hindi ako nag-plan masyado. Tomorrow pa kasi talaga yung tour. And today, I just wanna, explore, take pictures, and create memories for my birthday. And make sure na kapag magta-travel kayo alone, meron kayong tripod na na merong yung parang shutter na Bluetooth para in case na mag-isa lang kayo, makapag-picture kayo and all that. Para sa akin, kung mag-travel man ako ulit, yan talaga yung essential na kailangan kong dalhin. Kasi, alam nga naman magpa-picture tayo sa strangers, diba? And actually, nag-enjoy ako na i-discover kung ano yung angulo na pwede kong gawin for myself. And hindi ako mag-worry kung pagod na ba yung nagpipicture sa akin or not. Kasi tripod lang naman siya. And guys, my outfit is from Ukay. 199 guys, ito. And then, yung shorts ko din. Ukay din yan. And also yung heels ko. Dapat hindi ito yung heels na gagamitin ko. Dapat na yung sandals ako na gagamitin that matches this outfit. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko napansin na dalawang kaliwa pala yung nakuha ko. Like, wow. Mind blown. So, ayan. Ito yung outfit natin for today. Very Bali, di ba? Taray. And then, ayan. May pa-curls yan si madam. So, ayan guys. Update ko na lang kayo later. Probably sana magawa ko lahat ng sinabi ko kanina. But, yeah. See ya! Walk trip. Tapos, instead na bumalik pa ako dun later, ang ginawa ko na lang, dinala ko na yung dress ko for the dinner later. Para hindi na ako babalik kasi sayang din yung pamasahe. Ito yung nilalakad ko, guys. Dito tayo sa Naughty Nuri. Sabi ko na eh, nandun siya sa binabaan sa akin kahapon, dun ako binaba. For what? Nasi goreng chicken, and then one iced lychee tea.
One special, one iced tea. Let's tea.
Lychee tea.
One nasi goreng special, only chicken, yeah? And one is ready. Do you have any allergy?
No. Thank you.
Yeah. So, one person. How many people?
Yeah.
So, one person.
So guys, in order ko is yung nasi goreng special nila, yung chicken. Kasi I believe na nasi goreng yung famous na food here in Indonesia. Yun yung madalas ko nakikita sa mga content creators. So, try natin yung nasi goreng. And then, nag-order na din ako ng iced na lychee tea. Ganito yung vibe dito, guys. Very Indonesian style. Parang very local yung atake. Every time na umaalis ako and may pinupuntahan ako dito, palaging tinatanong kung mag-isa lang daw ba. Eh, yeah. I'm always alone, guys. Hindi, minsan natutuwa ako kasi like, they're not used to a woman traveling alone and doing things alone. I'm breaking the norm na kailangan may kasama. Hindi nyo kailangan may kasama, guys. You can enjoy all by yourself. That's what I want to do. Like, inspire women that they can do things even if mag-isa lang sila. Like, they can do a lot of things. Guys, nga pala, by the way, yung SIM ko, in-order ko lang siya sa Klook. Yung load ko dito is around 300 for 3 days na unlimited data na yun. So, if pupunta din kayo dito sa Bali or anywhere naman, you can just search for eSIM on Klook. Or if meron kayong ibang alam, go. Thank you. Ate, ang laki ng iced tea nila. Ate, laki. What the Yung lychee nila, like legit na na lychee. Kasi may nalalasan akong pait eh. Gano'n naman talaga yung lychee. Search natin kung magkano yun. So, yung iced tea nila na pagkalak-lak ay 45. Okay. 150. Okay, reasonable. 185k. Uy, mahal din pala yung ano nila, yung nasi goreng nila. 632 din. Guys, food is here. Complete orders. Let's eat! Ito guys. Ito yung chicken, egg, kanin. Cheers! Oh my God. Ang sarap. Oh my God. Yung rice nila, ang sarap. May binigay silang cucumber and carrot. Cucumber and carrot. And yung chicken nila, surprisingly, it's good. Sarap siya, guys. If mapupunta kayo here sa Seminyak, you should try this. Sarap siya, guys. Diba chicken na siya? Tapos meron na siyang bread na, like, breaded chicken. Meron pa siyang parang steamed na chicken kasama nung rice. Wow! Ang sarap. Pero in fairness, ang mahal niyo. Meron din silang barbecue. Para siyang teriyaki. Sweet yung sauce. Yung breaded chicken nila, this one. Diba may sinasabi sila dito na parang belly, ganyan. Although medyo nag-worry ako doon. Sakit ng tiyan, parang magpupup kayo ng magpupup. Nung nag-El Nido kami, may ganon din sila na parang may tendency nga na sumakit yung tiyan nyo, if sensitive yung tiyan nyo. Kasi yung mga kasama namin before sa El Nido, nagkaroon sila ng gano'n. Pero kami ng kapatid ko and some of us, hininangan. So, dito sa Indonesia or sa Bali, I think parang same lang siya nung sa El Nido na hindi nyo pwedeng inumin yung tap water, hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin for brushing your teeth, yung tap water. Although ginawa ko yun sa El Nido, pero hindi man sumakit yung chan ko. Sanay din kasi yung chan ko sa different type of foods. Kaya I think hindi naman sensitive yung chan ko.
Catherine Bernardo.
She's so pretty.
I don't like more Daniel Pangalila.
Ay,
Yeah.
he's a cheater. So we don't like that man.
Yeah. After discount 520, but I do 500.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang tagal ko dun, tinabudol niya ako. Nakalimang daan ako dun. But that's fine. I like them anyway. Like, look.
Where you from? Philippines?
Yeah. How did you know? Family, no friend.
No
Just
husband,
me.
no boyfriend.
Single.
Yeah. How old?
Thank you. Me, 24. It's my birthday today.
Oh, thank you. Long life.
Yes.
Long life. darling.
Thank you so much. Guys, I'm walking my way to the restaurant. I'm gonna go to Salt Lake Restaurant. Medyo maaga pa kasi 6 p.m. yung reservation ko, but I think that's good to freshen up. Nandito na ako sa restaurant and look at my view. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The staff remember that it's my birthday today. Alam nila na birthday ko kasi I requested for a good table. Like, I want to see the sunset and the ocean sa table ko. And they gave me that. Ayan, no, sobrang ganda ng table ko. This is a table for 2. And the view is like that. Since kakakain ko lang, I don't know what to order. Mag-order na tayo ng starters. Ang mahal naman ng scallops. Ayoko yan. Mahal ng menu nila dito, but it's okay. For starters, I would take Wagyu short rib pate.
Wagyu short rib pate
Yes.
for the starter, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you want to order like some drink or
What would you recommend? Like, I don't like alcohol.
Totomingo is our best seller.
I'll have that.
The Totomingo.
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you.
Guys, we changed our outfit to this dress that we bought on... Saan ko nga ba siya binili? On the Black app. And then this necklace that I bought from Flea Market. The ring and the bracelet na nabudol sa akin earlier. The food is here. Wagyu short rib. Then a mango something drink. Paghihirap ako dito dahil. Pero I deserve this. This is a treat for myself. So, look at the view. Mas maganda na ngayon.
Unfortunately, nalobat yung mic natin kaya wala nang voice yung mga susunod na clips. But I'm just enjoying my own company and enjoying the food. One thing I realized is that I really love eating alone. It may look lonely, but deep inside, I am enjoying like sobra. This was the moment that I realized then na this trip would change a lot in me, but in a good way. It made me realize that I can do a lot of things even when I'm alone, and that I'm a strong and brave woman.
Thank you so
Thank you everyone. So this is like compliment cake for you from the house.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, may pa-cake sila. Look at that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Salt Lake Restaurant. I'm so happy. I'm so happy and I'm so full, guys. Sobrang busog ko, actually. Ang dami ko nakain. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Thank you, Lord, for the food.
For everything, Lord. Oh my God, I love my life.
I miss my family. I miss my family. I miss my friends. But this is the time na kailangan kong pagbigyan yung sarili ko. Kailangan kong ma-realize how strong I am as a woman. How brave I am to do things like this. Yeah, I'm just so happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. And guys, I'll see you later.